and the Nasdaq market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping Nasdaq futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast-paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping Nasdaq futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Sorry I'm late. I actually was on time and I forgot to unprivate the damn live, and because I had already went live with the private, it wouldn't let me unprivate it. So here we are. Here we are. All right, so good morning. Not the BET commercials. Good morning, Applejacks. I just saw your message about the YouTube link. You could post it in the main chat. You should be able to post it since you're a mod 52. All right, that dropped lower than I wanted it to. So I've only taken one trade. It was a loss. I'll show it a little bit later. I missed like 4 trades this morning, just kind of discombobulated, honestly. 3 days off, that's what happens. And the trade I took was like one of those early trend trades that I'm still, I don't know about. 9. I'm still kind of leery on the way it rotates over my minor trend. I mean, my minor half trend. So it's all good. Good morning, Amelia. 1K done for the freaking week. Nice. Good morning, S. How are you? Yeah, S. That was me this morning. Like having 3 days off and the market moving that fast, I missed 4 trades this morning. How fun. How freaking fun. Okay. What a bleed. What the hell? Oh, I don't like that. It didn't turn yet. But yeah, so basically the first trade on my Top Step account is a loss, which sucks. But that also did remind me I forgot to put the commissions in for not Top Step, Take Profit Trader is what I meant. Quite sure this is going to be just a temporary pullback, but we'll see. You're not on Discord? I got you. We need a British person. You know what? I don't like grits either, but that's only because I grew up eating cream of wheat. $33. Damn, I just fucked up that trade. So yeah, hopefully I can get some trades in. I mean, when I tell you the market was moving and grooving, my eyes was just like, I couldn't see nothing. Nothing at all. And they were great setups too. They were all sales. This is what I missed this morning. The first huge pullback for the sale right there. Then this sale. Then this one. I missed all of those. And so the trade, I thought it was a fourth one. Oh yeah. So this one is my early trend trade, but you see how both this bar and that one, the minor half trend went through the body of both candles. I'm gonna have to look because I'm pretty sure I don't really like that. I prefer for like a wick body or body wick or something like that. I don't like when when it goes through the body of both. So I really think that was the problem there. I have a feeling when I look at the data, it's probably gonna be something that's like a break even overall. And then one of these, this one I had the order in for. I had the order in for, and I took it off at the last second because I read the volume wrong. Because it when there's so much volume in this swing, I can practically get into this trade. As long as the delta is positive, I can get into the trade because it's attached to a level, and it was. And don't ask me why I suck. So that was the fourth trade. So I should be 4-1. I could still count that loss because I don't really have parameters for it. But yeah, just know I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. For I might lose that trade though. Yeah, it's all good. I had a feeling I was gonna lose it from it touching the top of the zone up there, but that's all right. 50 yeah, that was the problem with that one. But yeah, I'm just really getting back into the groove, so I'm not too worried. Not at all. It just sucks when you miss the good trades and then you take the ones where you're like, I don't know. How did I lose so much on the Top Step account? Now, hold on. I mean, not the Top Step. Take Profit Trader. Didn't I only take 2 trades? Ooh. All right, there's some crazy slippage on the Take Profit account. That last trade, I lost 165. I'm only supposed to lose 93. All right, I have to watch that. It could be because of how fast it was, but yeah, we'll watch that. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. And I have to watch because what's the 15? I don't remember the daily loss limit. I forgot the daily loss limit. I think it's high though. Oh, 1100. All right, we'll make sure we don't hit that. Come on, market, give me what I need. The one account that's negative 500, that's the one where we're gonna go or bust on that account. So I'm not worried about that one. That's the one that I'm basically replacing with the Take Profit Trader account. You're struggling to execute too. I hate it. That is like the worst thing for me when I'm struggling with execution because my setups are there, you know? So it's very frustrating. You do all of this work to develop a strategy and you're being poor with the execution of it. That is like the worst thing. I'd rather just have a strategy that does not work. I'd rather have a strategy that doesn't work. Janelle, I don't know if I said good morning to you, but good morning. TP hit for 11. Ooh, not you accidentally bought 6 contracts. Oh my gosh. What a nice accident. Oh my gosh, I have 4 contracts to get my 1K. Didn't really mean to, but that's just how it worked out. It's like that sometimes. Rate my random British accent. How much? What, the slippage that I got is supposed to be negative. I'm supposed to lose 93.98 on a trade, and I lost 165. Yeah. So that TPT account is not starting off too hot. That's all right. That's all right. Is it still not counting the commissions? Oh, yeah, it is. Even though the TPT commissions are high as fuck, I do like that it's an even number. That's kind of nice. Even the slippage that I got on one of the other Top Step accounts is a little insane as well, but I guess. All right, we do have natural gas coming in 15 minutes. It's only low impact, so I just have to stop a minute before and after. We're gonna get this shit together, okay? Because going into the new year, I don't want to be making mistakes. If I lose trades because it's like rare occurrences or just not having enough data, we're cool with that. And I need my execution to be better. That has been the name of the game since I started this strategy a month and a half ago, almost 2 months ago. And we got to get it together. We do. Kind of needed to break 558 in order for me to still take sales. I didn't want it to break like that. I wanted to stay below this line, really. Good morning, New. How are you this morning? You gotta run errands again today. Gotta go outside. I gotta run errands too. 7.5 is quite generous. Okay, wait. Applejacks. Wait. I think my accent is actually pretty damn good. 78. That ended up being equal. I wanted the delta of that bar to be less than 78, and it ended up being 78. $325 to nope. I'm good. New, how are you? Especially while you're here, it tickles you. 10 out of comedy. Not sure it's the most realistic. You know what? I don't like how y'all talking about me like I'm not here. Are y'all all right? Is everything okay? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Remember, I'm here. I can see y'all. Let's see. 30, 79. Not quite. One. That's easy. Could push past that. Not quite. Now that I'm concentrating and I can see the sales happening, they're not setting up. Unfortunately. 27, 60. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Market, please don't fail me now. I've had what, three green days in a row or something. Let's not go red, please. Green. It's impossible. It's Applejack's fault. Clowning with y'all. I ain't made my breakfast yet. Wait, are you like permanently working from home, or are you only working from home certain days? God dang it. Jeez Louise. You ain't even gotta do all that. Just yesterday and today. Got you. Makes sense, makes sense. I remember when my mom first started working from home, she thought she was going to hate it. And then she loved it. But now, she's on vacation right now and she's been injured for a while. So she's been able to stay home because it's kind of hard for her to like move around and drive and stuff like that. But she was, listen, that lady was not happy when they said they had to start going back to work. She was not happy at all, honey. At all. 20. Right, that's an old level. well, let's scratch that by. But yeah, luckily she only has to go into the office a couple of days a week. But baby, she was mad about that. I'm actually, well, I feel like with certain jobs, like with hers, it kind of doesn't make sense for you to need people to be in the office anyway. And I feel like when work from home jobs like really first started, companies realized how much money they were wasting on leasing office spaces and stuff, and even owning big office buildings when you could just have people at their houses, pay their internet bill or phone bill if it's, somebody who needs the phone for work, and it's so much cheaper. So much cheaper. You was gonna love working from home. You wasn't allowed to do it until after 2020. Yeah, if I could find like a work from home nursing job, I would so do it. So do it. Even if it's like a telehealth, just anything. I'm over bedside and I'm over having to interact with people in certain ways just to do my job. No thanks. She said not gonna happen for her. Yeah. Well, good morning, Jerome. They party different in Russia. Not how drunk are you? What does my mom do? She is a financial analyst. Slash, I think they call her an accountant now as well. Don't quote me. 3. Nope, almost was what I was looking for. The delta changed at the last second. I wanted us to trap buyers right there, but we didn't. Christmas looked like the Game of Thrones banquet hall and bottles of all types of alcohol. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Sounds like you having you a good old time. How long will you be there for? Yeah, it's not enough desks because when you built your company off of work from home, now you have to have this huge office space with enough desks for everybody to be there. And by the time you do that, you might as well let people stay home. Do you have people who are cheating the system, like having multiple full-time work from home jobs that they're working at the same time? Absolutely. Do you have people who might take a break because they need to go take their kids somewhere or they need to go make breakfast like Apple Jacks? Yes, but overall, when you have the right set of employees, then working from home usually is a much better thing than working in the office. All right, 23. We tried so hard to push down right there, and I was looking for it too. I really feel like I hold myself with the 2 trades I did take and the 4 I didn't. The woman was at 8:30, barely 2 hours of sleep. You go back to work on the 6th. You flying back in January 2nd. Got you, got you. Well, safe travels. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip for sure. How long of a flight is it from where you live? That's how you quietly quit your job a year and a half ago. You traded all day. Look, Applejacks, we asked the same question. I mean, for me, it's like if I'm still being productive, it really shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter at all. If I'm getting my work done, what does it matter? We are definitely resisting the downtrend here. Just trying to push. All right, I do have to stop for natural gas real quick. Yeah. We are resisting this downtrend hard. That yellow line I drew, we've resisted there 5 times. I don't even know what the yellow line is. Oh, it's where the minor trend changed to a downtrend right here, but you can see we rejected here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. All right, 24. Pushed up a little too high. Stopping for natural gas. I could trade again now. Tempted to jump back into platinum. Hey, if it's setting up, you might as well. Oh yeah, it is Friday. It doesn't even feel like a Friday, y'all. At all. It does not feel like a Friday. Still. Damn it. 49. How do I have a y'all are gonna piss me off today. Sorry, y'all. I just heard stop filled and I don't know what the stop was filled. It was clearly a win. Oh, let me see. Interesting. So only my leader account got the win. The other accounts got a break even. How? They all entered at the same price too. It must not have been enough orders there to fill. All right, so that sucks. Yeah, so we hit the target on the Apex account, but the followers hit the break even. How much volume was in that candle? Let's see. There was only 8 volume in the candle that took profit, so I guess it kind of makes sense. 58. It makes sense why I wasn't filled on all of them. Wait, what are y'all doing? Greedy, wait for that A+ setup though. Let me test this. How girl, what is you doing? What are you doing, Amelia? Oh my gosh. Oh, when the market slows down a little bit, I'm gonna give you guys a preview of the new video that I'm gonna put out, where I'm comparing straight to funded to eval to funded accounts. It's pretty good so far. I sent it to my friend who's not a trader to ask him if it's like intriguing and if it keeps him like engaged, because he has no idea what the subject even is, and he said yes. So it took me probably like, I would say about an hour and a half to create the script, maybe like 2 hours. And so the script is perfect, but now I just have to get all the graphics together, which takes a while. Especially because I'm using Canva. I initially wanted to use CapCut because I really like the CapCut platform. However, I feel like Canva has better like B-roll and like graphics, like videos, pictures and stuff. CapCut is good for what it can do, but I just feel like Canva is better in that regard. So yeah, I have to stick with Canva. I wish Canva had a better video editing part of the platform, but it's whatever. But I'm gonna let y'all see a preview. You was testing my bot? Yeah, Canva, I love Canva. I love it. I first started using it like to create overlays for my gaming streaming, and then I started using it to make like graphics for my credit repair business, which I also made like newsletters, and I have this what do you call it? It's not a workbook. It's like an informational type of thing, teaching you about credit and stuff like that, how to build credit basically. So I did that. I used to use Photoshop a long time ago, and Photoshop, although it is good, Sometimes Photoshop is just like, I don't really need all of this. Photoshop to me is better for like pictures and stuff, but my very first like workbook, planner, and all that stuff that I created, I actually created it through Photoshop. But I definitely prefer Canva. I feel like Canva just has such a vast library for graphics and videos and just different like tools, whether it's AI tools and stuff like that. I think it's pretty cool. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? That's what happens when you're done trading for the day. You just do crazy stuff. Yeah, Photoshop can be a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna lie. And now that you can, you know, use Canva to remove the background or just different websites to remove backgrounds from pictures, it's like, what the hell do I need this complicated shit for? I don't. I don't. Oh, matter of fact, let me try to download. Sorry, y'all couldn't see what's been happening. Let me download the video real quick. Hello, are you going to download? That's the only other thing I don't like about doing videos in Canva. It takes so long sometimes to export the videos. Oh my goodness. That can be a pain in the ass. Especially because the video is going to be about 10 minutes long. Of course, the market's not going to give me what I want now. That's why you take advantage when it's there. You can't miss trades and shit. If it was up to me, I would just trade the first 30 minutes and go on about my life, about my business. But here we are. Okay, 34. Damn, that happened so fast, y'all didn't even see the order. I tried to get into the buy right there, and it literally happened so fast, you probably missed it. Here's what the inside looked like. I didn't get filled right there. There was like 2 ticks of drawdown from my entry, but it just happened too quick. That's ass. Damn. Damn. Photoshop used to be your shit. Smart Plant, SolidWorks. Also know Revit. I take it those are engineering platforms or programs that you use when you're in engineering. So many almost setups. So many. No engineering talk in the chat. Design software for engineering. Got you, got you. I'm so mad those accounts got break evens on that damn trade. All right, let's see. That is a lower low. We are rejecting the uptrend. What is that? 106? It pushed down even further than I thought it would. Okay. Thought we were going to get some kind of pullback. At first, I thought we were going to pull back here. Then I thought it was going to be here. But the market had other plans instead. And I can't take... Yeah, I got to wait for some stuff to develop. So because of that... Oh, I know. This will be a better way for me to do it. Sorry, guys. Hold, please. For the past few months, the futures prop firm industry has... Wait, not yet. All right. Hopefully this works. For the past few months, the futures prop firm industry has seen a surge in companies offering straight-to-funded accounts. Some of those companies have come and gone, and others are still hanging on. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate trading dilemma. Which account type is best, straight-to-funded or evaluation-to-funded? I'll break down the pros and cons of each approach and help you decide which is the better option for your journey to funding. Let's dive in. For those new to the concept, a Funded Trader Challenge is your gateway to accessing trading capital without putting your own money on the line. Here's how it works. You prove your trading skills by meeting specific metrics, and if you succeed, you get funded. Simple as that. These challenges have exploded in popularity over the past 3 to 5 years with platforms like TopStep, Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and others leading the charge. Why? Because the allure of trading with tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars without risking your life savings is irresistible. But there's a catch, or rather a choice. There are two main paths to funding now. Number one, go straight to funded and start trading a sim funded account immediately, or 2, take the evaluation path where you progress through a series of challenges to earn funding gradually. Which one should you choose? Let's break it down. It is not a commercial. You know what? I'm sick of you people. Yes, thank you, Applejacks. It's a preview to my next video where I compare straight to funded accounts to eval to funded accounts. I wanted to pull it up that way so that y'all can hear it like clearly versus the other way of pulling it up. Y'all are funny as hell. Thank you, thank you. Y'all are funny. Yes. For the past few months, the futures prop firm industry has seen a surge. I didn't mean to restart that. I was trying to delete it. I pushed the wrong button. You and Trenches knew. Y'all go get up out of here. Trenches said, oh, folks done made a whole commercial. Oh, man. But yeah, so that's my new video. I really want to hopefully put it out this weekend. It depends on how much time I have to devote to it today. Because I really, based on my YouTube analytics, Saturdays are better for me to upload than Sundays, but I might still load it on Sunday anyway. We'll see. But yeah, coming soon. Right. Y'all supposed to be the ones not trolling Janelle. You feel like that video is needed? I'm telling you, it really is. Yeah, Amelia, there is. I don't know if YouTube has like a button. I know Twitch does have a button where you can like click it to say, hey, go show an ad. I don't know if YouTube has that now or what, but yeah. But yeah, so I'm really excited about putting it together. It's just taking long because I'm in Canva. Yeah. Because if I was to do it in CapCut, it would take even longer because I would have to basically take clips from Canva, export them, put it into Cap. It's just too much. It's just too much. So I'm gonna keep on keeping on. I think the video is like 9.5 minutes. I have about 1.5 minutes done already. So I'm hoping to get like probably about 5 minutes worth of editing done today and then finish it out tomorrow. But we'll see. 62. But yeah, I told y'all I'm about to start putting out more short form content, which I'm excited about. Especially now that I have more time, since I'm not having to like really study like that. For the most part, once I'm done journaling my trades, if there's something that I need to look at, like one-off stuff like the 2 trades I took today, it'll be really easy for me to do it. It doesn't take very long, and then I'm just kind of like sitting on my hands. So my goal is to put out like one short form video per week, because I would be able to have like all week to complete it. So maybe like day 1, getting the script together, day 2, recording the voiceover, and then days 3 through 5, I can just, you know, do the graphics for it bit by bit, because my goal is for most of my short form videos to be about 10 to 12 minutes long on average. If there's anything that like needs to be less than that, obviously I'm not going to push it to 10 minutes, but I never want a video to be really longer than like 12 minutes, unless it's like that video I put out for the Apex 101 type of video. I couldn't go through literally the entire program in less than 15 minutes. So, but yeah, thank you guys. No more trades. You keeping the green you out. Nice job. Nice. What a way to end the week, especially a holiday week at that. Did anybody else trade the rest of the week? All right, 26. 27. I really want us to kind of break up here to create the pullback. And of course, there's not very much time left in the session. Yeah, I don't like taking trades when we're rotating where the trend just changed, because that lets me know it's kind of like it's rejecting the change to an uptrend. You can see how hard we're having a time of pushing. And there you go. 35. You were surprised when you look back at the 24th? Yeah, the 24th, I did end up looking at it after the market closed. I think it was like later on that evening, maybe. I can't remember. But during that entire session, I would have only had one trade, and I think it happened like around 9:25 or something. I can't remember the exact time, but I would have only had one trade the entire session, so I'm glad that I skipped it. You was trashed earlier in the week. Yeah, it was like, it's so crazy because when I was looking at other people when they were streaming on Christmas Eve, I was like, oh, the market's moving kind of nice. But I also think that I was watching them like during what would be the power hour of Monday, with it being an early close. Because when I looked at my setups, I was like, this is choppy as hell. It was very choppy. The one trade that ended up setting up was the divergence in the same direction of the trend. So something that looks kind of like this. And that was it. That was the only thing that set up. That was it. All right, not quite. I was wondering if we got to the 50% level on from the 5-minute chart, but we haven't. Thought maybe that's why we were rejecting so hard. Listen, see this. Some personal account to break even. Ouchie, 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 ouchie. Yeah, it happens. I don't know. Like I said earlier this week, I didn't have very many expectations for this week anyway, for real, for real. Although yesterday actually would have been a great day if I would have woke up on time and actually did well with execution as well. Today would have been a great day if I would have executed properly. So, I mean, on one hand, I'm happy because I can't tell you the last time I took a trade that wasn't like a valid trade, besides the one day that was really volatile. And I can't really count that because literally deltas change at the last second. There's really nothing I could do about it. Thankfully, they were winners. But when the market is moving normally, I can't tell you the last time I got into a trade and I wasn't supposed to. So that's good from that aspect of execution, but I'm still failing at executing properly because I don't execute every single trade, and I should. But that, I still have to give myself grace because although I've been trading with this particular strategy for almost 2 months, wait, no, yeah, almost 2 months, I've also made a lot of adjustments over time. And so I have to remember that because of the adjustments that I've made over time, my brain is not it ain't computing sometimes because I confuse myself because I kind of know what my rules are for the most part. Um, but then I look down because I'm like, wait, am I remembering correctly? Is this something that I adjusted recently? So I just kind of like confuse myself. So over time of me trading with the same parameters and not making any adjustments for a particular setup, it's a lot easier for me to take the trades. So like the counter trend divergence, I pretty much have set in my mind. There was one adjustment that I made recently to actually add the ability to get into more trades. The divergence in the same direction of the trend, there literally I have not changed that since probably like the second or third week of me trading it. So when those set up, I like my fingers on the trigger. I'm ready because literally no matter what the volume pattern is, the delta pattern has to be the same. If I'm below my major half trend and I have this kind of divergence below it to continue the uptrend, the delta of my entry bar has to be less than the delta of the previous bar in the same direction, period. There's no way around it. Doesn't matter if a level's attached, literally nothing matters. So that's like the easiest strategy or the easiest setup for me to execute. And then probably like the just regular pullbacks to my middle and major half trends, they're pretty easy to remember as well. That's really it. Some of the other ones I've just made adjustments to. Later, new. Have a great weekend. Be safe, and we will see you next week. But yeah, so I just have to give myself grace. It just frustrates me because I've done the work of putting it together. And I thought that once I did the work, it would be a lot easier to execute because I would have a lot more confidence in the strategy, you know, knowing that I did what I was supposed to do to put it together properly. But now, yeah, I just have the issue with executing. But it's all good in due time. In due time. All right, we got basically less than 15 minutes left. Patience, you'll get there. Absolutely, Janelle. Like I said, I'm giving myself grace in due time. Oh, absolutely. 2025 is going to be a very great year. And I told you guys, like, my goal was I gave myself a year to figure the strategy out. And I basically started about a year ago. Whatever day was my year anniversary of being on YouTube. So I pretty much reached that goal. I mean, my strategy is not 100% done, but it's about 95%, 95, 97, somewhere up in there. So I pretty much reached the goal, right? And so I'm proud of myself for that, absolutely. And I know that with the work that I put in this entire year, the consistency, the hours that I put into studying and back testing, being okay with, you know what, this is not right yet. Like, you're almost there. Look at this kind of thing. I'm really proud of myself for that because honestly, you guys, if I would have been doing this about 5 years ago, she would have quit already. Well, I would have quit on my scalping strategy. I would have just went back to intraday swing trading, which I still have a desire to find my notebook from when I was profitable doing that because I kind of want to teach my sister how to trade. She act like she don't want to learn, but my sister, she want to learn. She better be quiet and listen to her sister. 14. Question is, oh, they're both 14. Okay, well, that's good. Oh, we need a level attached there. Since it's weak, we don't have that. Unless we go up there. I want us to pull back to 70.50, but we're not. 47. Come on. You dirty bastard. No, I think we're in a place where I'm not going to be able to trade. That's annoying. Just caught the reversal for 270. Nice. Who's up more than $1,000? Where do you see that? You're spending the year digging yourself out of debt. I can help you with that. Claiming and manifesting to have multiple M's and ooh, sugar mama. Absolutely. Oh yeah, I needed to I'm gonna have to make that smaller. The text probably. It's because of how long the take profit name is. It wasn't like that before then. I know what I could do. There we go. That's better. Why do I continue to torture myself after 10 o'clock? Why can't I just go back to just stopping at 10 o'clock? Because it's torture. I don't even remember, when's the last time I had a setup? I think it was the actual trade that I took, right? 9:34. Our new stop time is 9:45. No. Because what the? I do have I'm just going to look over the 2 losses that I had today. Because I have a feeling I know why the one loss, and that was because we were trading off the top of the change zone. I'm just starting to realize that I just don't like when I don't like when the entry bar touches it. I just don't. Now, if like my entry bar touches the top and we're going for a sale, you know, this was where we changed to a downtrend, cool. But I don't like when the entry bar just touches the bottom. I don't know what it is. It doesn't matter what setup it is. I just do not like it. I don't, and I won't. So I need to look at that because I'm 99% sure that's the reason why that trade lost. And then, what was the other trade I lost? I don't remember. But really today wouldn't have been as bad if I was able to get the win on the followers for the last trade that I took, and because the second trade I took, which was the one where the entry bar touched the zone, it was a huge loss on all the accounts, actually. Well, on all the follower accounts. All the follower accounts lost between $150 and $165 per contract when it should have been 93. So that was some huge slippage. Thankfully on the Apex account it wasn't. I didn't have any slippage there, but it's all good. TPT always has good sales. Yeah, they're 40% off right now, and then you don't have to pay the activation fee. So it's like 102 all in for a 50K account. And I did end up, I got to reach out to them because I applied to be an affiliate, but I did it like a day before I actually bought my first account, which shouldn't matter because I know people who are affiliates of companies and they don't have accounts. But yeah, so I need to reach out to them. I don't know. I could have been an affiliate for different companies, but I just feel weird about being affiliates with companies that I'm not a customer of myself. And that's something that I've always battled with. But I might end up becoming an affiliate for a couple of other companies that I like. I just can't trade with them. Like, I can't help that I can't trade with my funded futures. There's nothing I could do about it. So I was thinking about them, maybe Buellanox, but then I also feel like as an affiliate, it's my responsibility to stay up to date with like different news and stuff, or different, you know, promos and shit. And I don't feel like keeping up with 10 different companies. So I kind of rather just affiliate with the top companies that people like. And because I actually wouldn't mind having Buellanox accounts if it wasn't rhythmic. So that's something, again, where I can't help it. If I had to choose between Top Step and Bulenox, I'm going to choose Top Step all day, every day. And I'm not going to buy a platformless copier just to be able to trade with both of them at the same time. So I don't know. Don't 12. Don't sent an email yesterday. Email today. I've done enough. Girl. Who needs a job when you have Janelle? I'm weak. Looks similar to a fake out breakout. That's what I hate about NQ. Yeah. Yeah. The good thing is I've been able to stay out of like the fake breakouts quite a bit because of, I mean, the Renkos literally told me not to trade. And although these look like pretty decent swings on the Renko chart, when you look at it on a time-based chart, it don't look that great. It doesn't look great at all. We did have a doji like 10 minutes ago. Not, yeah, 10 minutes ago we had a doji. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, overall today honestly wasn't bad. I think I won 1 trade and lost 2. Yeah. Won 1, lost 2, missed 4. And all 4 were wins. Yippee, what a great day. Let me show you guys the accounts. I wonder, it does not do it right. Shit. All right, I'm gonna have to also reach out to Affordable Indicators because I know they're working on fixing the risk manager because wait, hold on. Because it doesn't work properly on Top Step, but I also need to tell them that it doesn't work properly on Take Profit Trader either, because it's doing the drawdown based on intraday trailing instead of end of day. I don't know if there's something that they can fix, but it should be. So I need to let them know that that's not working properly. And then like on the Top Step accounts, it's doing intraday as well, and it's doing the 50Ks based off of 2,500 initial drawdown versus 2,000. So that's where the accounts are. Essentially, I have, this is the Apex account, so 2,200 in drawdown is correct. The TPT account, I guess, would technically be correct because we would be ending the day here. And then the 2 Top Step accounts I know are completely wrong. I have like $800 left in the third account that's listed. That's the one we're gonna blow or go on that one. And then on the bottom account, there's about like 1,700 left. So not too worried. It kind of sucks because I think I did have like 3 green days in a row. But that was a nice little pause from all the red days I was having. So today just sucked from that aspect because I kind of wanted to keep the green streak going. But you know, when you take 2, 3, well, technically 3 days off from the market, you are bound to not do things properly because guess what? My finger is not used to hitting the button. My brain stopped working for 3 days. I didn't have to look at numbers and things like that. So it is what it is. It's all good. Wouldn't Bulenox micro scalping rule mean? Yeah, I think so, S. And that's the other thing. So I'm so limited with companies because of the micro scalping as well. And it really sucks because yes, you do have some people who are literally just hitting buy and sell and going for it, like, you know, going for a couple ticks, not having a stop loss and things like that, DCAing because the scalp is not working out properly. So I just feel like it would be nice for certain companies to be able to use a certain level of discretion. Like I should be able to write into support and say, hey, I know you have this micro scalping rule, but please watch this video on how I trade. And I could just send them a small clip, you know, and just say, I have a set stop loss and take profit. I have a reason, like a whole strategy behind it. If my trades are typically based on momentum, right? Where I'm not really in the trades for longer than 15 seconds. Why are you punishing me because I have figured out a strategy that I'm able to be in and out of the market extremely fast? So like the last trade that I did take, where is it at? I think I took it at 9:34. This trade right here took 3 seconds to TP. 4.5 points, 3 seconds. Why are you penalizing me for doing my due diligence of figuring out how to trade with momentum? That's not fair to me. I shouldn't have to hold the trade for 30 seconds. If I had to hold this trade for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, I would have lost. So like, let's see. Let's see, that's 34 even. So even just 10 seconds, 10 seconds is like around here. So I wouldn't have gotten the full take profit, you know, and that's just not fair to me. You still have to trade a funded elite account. I thought you closed it down. I love scalping a quick. Exactly, Sam. Minus ES would be deemed micro scalping unfairly. Exactly. My stop loss is on. It goes over $100 more sometimes last week. Yeah, this week, well, I know the one where I got the really bad slippage, I literally saw how late my stop loss got put on. It just happened way too fast, and it happens like that sometimes. But yeah, a lot of companies with this micro scalping rule, and you know, they try to say, oh, it's because, you know, we use our API to copy you, you know, the orders won't get put in time and stuff like that. But it's like, how many people are y'all really copying? And the reality is, if you have a trader that's so good that you want to use your API to copy them, why aren't they in a live account? Just saying. I'm just saying. So I don't know. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me. I think I can tell you guys what the week was, because I was green on Monday. I literally only traded the 2 days this week. So on the Apex account, I'm basically down 160. It looks like I took 5 trades, 1, 2, lost 3. So I really should only be down like $100, but it was the extra for the trade. I think I had like a really, on the 23rd, yeah, I had a trade where I lost $143 again versus 94. So the slippage on that was just a little insane. But yeah, so hopefully, I know that we have New Year's next week, but hopefully the market is a little bit more balanced next week. We'll see. I don't know. You ended up passing the eval on accident. Girl, I'm so sick of you. I am so sick of you. Oh yeah, you guys, if you have not joined the Discord, please join the Discord. I'm gonna start kind of promoting it a little bit more. I'm ready to grow the community there too, because like I was telling my mom, I'm like, I really love the community that we're building on YouTube, but it's like after the live stream, then it's it. Unless I see them in another Discord, you know, server, that's it. But I want to be able to extend the community that we're building here into a Discord community where, you know, we just have fun and share ideas and things like that. So might as well try to get a payout. It's the I guess for me. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend. Be safe, and I will see you guys Monday. Bye, guys.